Of course, you can buy your loofahs in the beauty aisle of a supermarket or drugstore, but why not make one yourself?
Hello, my name is Maggie from Around the Year.
Today we'll make a luxury DIY loofah. They turn out so pretty and are great if you need a last-minute gift, and all you need is about a quarter of a meter of net fabric or tulle, preferably a soft net. We'll now gather our tulle pieces up like so, and I'm just temporarily going to secure it with some string so it stays put while I gather the next piece. All in all, the materials cost me around 90 cents, which is really good. We'll repeat the process until all of our tulle is gathered. And then we'll wrap the thread tightly around the tulle and knot it securely. Knot the ends as well as to create a loop, or add a different cord or ribbon for that altogether. Fluff out your loofah and, if necessary, trim it a bit to make it even. And your loofah is done.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if you want to receive additional resources to my projects, subscribe to my free newsletter and be the first to see each new video. See you in the next video.